My name is Parag, Kachalia, and I practice in San Ramon, California. So over the last few years, what we've really noticed in our practice is patients are still obviously getting caries, but the biggest thing they're doing now is getting erosion. Erosion has been a huge issue in dental practice around the country, and in many cases, it's almost a hidden disease because we see tooth wear occur little by little by little, and there's not true caries. It's not the typical Explorer pick, or when you have a scanning device, you're able to pick up caries, but erosion is a very slow process. And many of the toothpaste that we've had over the years have focused on caries and not so much on the erosive factor. But what's really interesting, there's a lot of great data now coming out that Stannous Fluoride makes a tremendous difference. That if we use Stannous Fluoride, especially in cases where patients have erosion, it significantly decreases erosive potential. And the sodium fluoride role really was remineralizing in areas, adding fluorapatite into the system. But there's no protective barrier. What Stannous Fluoride does, it puts a protective barrier on the tooth structure. That protective barrier is almost a sacrificial lamb, that as the acid hits the tooth, that protective barrier is what's impacted first before the actual tooth is. So a toothpaste available today like Procter & Gamble, what we're able to do is every 12 hours, if you're brushing with their specific toothpaste that has Stannous Fluoride, you'll protect your teeth for the long term. So in our practice today, we really look at what is the disease factor the patient's facing. Is it periodontal disease? If it is, we go with Stannous Fluoride and glycine option. If it's caries process and erosion, we go down the road of a specific Stannous Fluoride toothpaste. So my expert tip today is not to simply tell your patients go buy whatever toothpaste over the counter, but instead focus on the toothpaste that really matter. And the Procter & Gamble products with Stannous Fluoride make a tremendous difference.